Best phones of 2024. Top picks under $500. If you're upgrading your smartphone, consider these affordable options that pack a punch at a very affordable price. Budget phones have come a long way, offering impressive features at a fraction of the cost of flagship devices. Here are some of the best smartphones that offer a sleek design along with innovative features under just $500. Google Pixel 8a. The Google Pixel 8a is a budget-friendly powerhouse with a great camera, smooth display, and a quick pace. It features a large 6.1-inch OLED display with a super fast 120Hz display refresh rate, a 64-megapixel main camera, and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide. Moreover, it's powered by the Tensor G3 processor, 6GB RAM, and 128GB storage. It's a great choice for those who want a hassle-free Android experience. This phone is available at $499 at Google Store, and if you're willing to avail a discount, then this smartphone is on sale at Walmart for $450. OnePlus 12R. The OnePlus 12R offers solid performance, fast charging, and a capable camera at an affordable price. Its 6.7-inch AMOLED display boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, while its 50-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel front camera handle photography duties. It offers a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage. Hence, it's a great option for those who want a premium feel without the premium price tag. You can buy the OnePlus 12R from Best Buy at $450. Lenovo ThinkPhone. The Lenovo ThinkPhone by Motorola is a unique device with incredibly fast charging, easy personal computer compatibility, and a smooth display. Its 6.6-inch IPS display features a 120Hz refresh rate, while its 50-megapixel main camera and 13-megapixel front camera handle photography duties. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, it's a great choice for business users or those who want a device that can keep up with their busy lifestyles. Lenovo ThinkPhone is being offered at a price of $400. Apple iPhone SE. The Apple iPhone SE is compact, has a great camera, smooth performance, and timely software updates. It comes with a 4.7-inch LCD, smaller than the rest, and is fitted with a 12-megapixel main camera and a 7-megapixel front camera that still turns in great results. Powered by an Apple A15 Bionic chip and 3GB RAM with 64GB storage, this phone would be a great option for those who want a premium iPhone experience at a not-so-premium price tag for only $429.